So this is how you unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. This is the HP DeskJet 2810E printer. This is a DeskJet that is instant ink ready, and it comes with 3 months of instant ink on HP. This is for everyday printing, and it features a very easy setup, which we will show you in a while. So we're going to unbox this and set it up. Get it connected to your wireless network, install ink, paper, and do a first printout using the HP Smart app. So this is what you see once you open up the box. Okay, this tape leads to cardboard over here that you need to remove from the printer. These are the materials in box that will help you to set up the printer successfully. Following the setup guide, the next step is to power on the printer. Let's plug the power cable into the power port that is located at the back of the printer. Next, let's power on the printer by pressing on the power button. Once the printer is powered up, let's load some paper. To load paper, you need to pull out the input tray. Lift up the flap, and you need to push the blue guide all the way to the left. Take a stack of plain paper and load it in as shown. Use the paper guide and push it until it just touches the paper. The paper is now loaded. Let us install the inks. So these are the ink cartridge that comes in box. They are the Setup Tricolor and Setup Black cartridges. Let's remove them from its packaging. Remove the tape, taking care not to touch the electrical contacts or even the nozzles. Open the front door and the cartridge access door. Once you open the carriage access door, the carriage will come to the center. Do take note of its position. Take the tricolor cartridge and load in as shown. Push it all the way in until it snaps in place. Repeat for the black cartridge. Push it all the way in and snap it in place. The cartridges are now loaded. You may close the ink access door and the front door. printer will now print an alignment page. This is the alignment page. Follow the instructions to scan the alignment page using the flatbed scanner. So you open the flatbed scanner. Place the alignment page face down. Align it to the top left-hand corner. Press on either copy button to scan the alignment page. The page is scanned and aligned once the power button stops blinking. Next, let's complete the setup by connecting the printer to our wireless network, and we'll use the HP Smart Mobile on our Android phone. If you need the app, simply go to Play Store and download the HP Smart app. So let's start up HP Smart. We'll add our first printer. We'll add a new printer, and it will be connected over Wi-Fi. Here are some steps to get the printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi. Go through the steps and continue. We will select OK for location data. It has found our printer, the HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. Select that. Let's connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Do note, this printer only supports 2.4 GHz, and our mobile device is already connected to a 2.4 GHz network. So let's enter the Wi-Fi password. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, let's continue. We need to press and release the flashing information button. Let's do that. The printer is connected to Wi-Fi. You can see that the wireless LED is now solid. For connected printing services, we'll accept all. We have already installed the ink, so tap on Ink already installed. For printer updates, we'll select Notify. The setup is complete. Let's print a document. So this is the first printout from your HP DeskJet 2810 printer. For print from other devices, we'll select Not Right Now. The setup is complete. And this is the dashboard for your HP Smart app. So this is how you unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 2800 printer series.